Get this. We have a robot here.
We do.
What's happening with the robot then? Press open.
The room phone is ringing.
Rah.
Da, 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 da. I don't know what it said, but
It said,
we're gonna
here's
go
your
ahead and take
food.
it.
Nice and warm. Jeez, look at that.
Hey.
Okay, so close it. What's that? Raw.
Sleep well. Okay, bye bye. I love it.
The idea of hotels being run by robots has been trending. The hospitality industry is fundamentally rooted in human interaction. But some of these companies are pushing for robot concierges and room service. Implementing robots into hotels and the service industry presents many challenges. These robots frequently encounter glitches and are unreliable, especially when deployed in environments like hotels and other service-based sectors.
Can you believe this stuff? Look at this thing. I think it knows we're here. Hello? Oh, choose your language. Okay.
I don't know.
Oh, here it goes.
Hello?
Hello? Okay. What the heck? Okay, here's go. It's,
You have to
I
really
think we
hit
did
it
it now.
hard.
It's loading.
English now.
What?
Say that
Hi,
again.
my name is Robbie. I have been working here for a few days and I'm still learning. Please bear with me if I won't answer your question straight away.
Wow, this is freaky. Where is the restaurant?
Please, can you say that again?
Where is the restaurant? Where is the restaurant? Robbie, where's the restaurant?
The Leonardo da Vinci Buffet restaurant is downstairs. You'll
Oh.
find it on the lower ground near the flags. You can't miss it. If the access is in your board basis, you can access it straight away. Otherwise, you'll
Several companies are leading the development of these robots. Robotics is a company that designs and builds highly realistic humanoid robots with advanced AI integration, focusing on social interaction.
I'm going to demonstrate one of the cooler features of our robots, which is the removable face. Everything is modular, with the idea being that you can have one robot and multiple characters.
There are a multitude of systems that have to work together smoothly and flawlessly for this to come across the way it does. From the CAD modeling that goes into the mechanical parts, the choice of motors and the choice of power supply, gear ratios, all of it, and then meshing that within a very small space, because most robots are not human-sized. They're rather bulky, and there's no attention paid to if the arms are square or if they're cylinders or anything like that. So it's a lot of challenging systems, and that doesn't even touch the fact that the software is super important. The control systems are super important, and by far not my expertise, but I have a great team of people that I've come to know very well over the years, and together we're able to make it all happen.
Given the rise of automation across many industries, interest has been rising in specialized robots. They are designed to perform specific tasks more efficiently than human labor. This trend has caught the attention of both startups and established companies. One of the major developments in 2025 has been the surge in humanoid robotics.
Could we take a selfie together?
Yes, you may.
All right, awesome. Smile. Can I ask you what your name is?
My name is Amika. What is yours?
My name's Alexa. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thanks so much.
Skynet, Terminators, it's all happening. We are living through a time period where we are seeing advances in AI and robotics occurring so quickly we can't possibly comprehend it, or possibly even control it. Humans have been thinking about manned flight since the dawn of time. Right, you've got stories of Icarus flying with the wings, in Greek mythology. You have Leonardo da Vinci drawing his man-powered flying machine in 1487. It took us thousands of years, of thinking about manned flight. And then we get to here, this date in 1903, when the Wright brothers accomplished the first powered flight. And then the rapid acceleration is astonishing. Thousands of years, and then In less than 60, we go from the very first manpower flight to putting the first person in space. And then 3 years later, the first person on the moon. And then a couple of decades after that, we're then landing stuff on other planets with the Mars rovers. What we have witnessed is we have now gotten to that tipping point where, as it applies to AI and robotics, in my opinion, I could be wrong, happens quite often. But I think we've gotten to that point now to where there's this massive acceleration in advances in AI and robotics. Think about it. With the Wright brothers and the first powered flight in 1903, like they're using books and pencils and handwriting calculations and everything like that. We have supercomputers that can do this in amounts of time that are not even quantifiable to the simpleton like you and I. Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? I have no idea. What do I know? I have no advanced training in AI or robotics. I just know what I'm seeing and what I'm learning and reading about is that we are advancing so quickly we can't keep up with it. You look at Optimus, the humanoid robot from Tesla, and some of these other humanoid robots that are out there and are advancing, Boston Dynamics, etc. And then you look at all the AI models, and I think you have to look at those two as working together. But I think we have hit that point to where, in a fraction of the time that it took us to get to this point, we will see advances that we cannot comprehend. Is it good? Is it bad? I have no idea. We'll just have to wait and see. But I think it's happening. Anyway, be prepared. But don't be weird about it. But if you are going to be weird about it, be fun weird, be cool weird. Robot overlords, or make your life easier. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see.
In the consumer space, robot technology is becoming more accessible and user-friendly. Home robots like robotic vacuums and lawn mowers are seeing wider adoption. These machines are designed to simplify everyday life and often come equipped with sensors, cameras, and voice assistants. Tech companies are investing heavily into the user experience, ensuring that these robots are not just functional but also easy to interact with, even for people who are not tech-savvy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.